To start a limited liability company, LLC, in Utah, several steps must be taken. The first step is to choose a unique name for the LLC, which must be distinguishable from other business entity names already registered in the state. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations. The availability of the name can be checked on the Utah official state website. If the preferred name is already taken, a DBA, doing business as, registration can be filed, allowing the LLC to operate under a different name. The next step is to appoint a registered agent, who will handle government, tax, and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC. This can be an individual or an entity. And while it is possible to serve as one's own registered agent, it is not recommended due to the complexity of legal documents and requirements. Many people use a registered agent service to handle these tasks. Once a registered agent has been appointed, the next step is to file articles of organization, which include basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. This can be done on the Utah official website, and a state filing fee of $54 must be paid. Following this, an operating agreement should be created, which is a contract outlining how the business will be run, including the distribution of profits and the authority of members to bind the LLC to legal contracts. The next step is to obtain any necessary permits and licenses for the LLC, which will vary depending on the industry and specific activities of the business. Researching the required permits and licenses is essential, and professional help can be sought if needed. After obtaining the necessary permits and licenses, the LLC must comply with tax requirements, including filing annual reports, keeping accurate records, and conducting business transactions through a business bank account. To open a business bank account, especially if the LLC has multiple members, an employer identification number, EIN, is required. This can be obtained from the IRS website. Finally, to ensure that all steps are completed correctly and efficiently, it is possible to use a legal service, such as a formation service, which can handle every step of the process, including filing articles of organization, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Using a formation service can save time and ensure that everything is done correctly. And many services offer additional benefits, such as initial phone consultations with specialists and access to bookkeeping software. While there is a cost associated with using a formation service, it can be worth it for the convenience and peace of mind it provides. Overall, starting an LLC in Utah requires careful planning and attention to detail. But with the right guidance and resources, it can be a straightforward process.